Yeah, so I'm going to start off with a clean bowl. Again, I'm going to show you this just so you guys could see. Oh, that's a leaf. Okay. I'm going to start off with a clean bowl, and I'm going to put these strawberries in there. They were $2.50 at Meijer for a 2-pounder. And I'm going to show you, again, clean bowl, strawberries, what it looks like after I rinse it. Well, maybe I should put some in there and show you. Okay, so I'm just going to add them all in, and I'm going to take my spritz, and I'm going to just spritz all around, and I'm just going to kind of like flip them and rinse again. Now my hands are dirty. Hold on. And this, I read, is safe for the environment. It's non-toxic. Although I wouldn't suggest you just eat it right off. You have to rinse it afterward. Okay, and I'm gonna leave mine for like 2 minutes and I'm gonna come back. I'll watch later. Okay, so we're back. Okay, I'm going to now rinse. You can see like, see that little film? That's like the stuff. All right. I'm gonna rinse these off. Just going to see, it creates like that little, it's not soap, but it's creating like, and if you know like a home, I mean, I guess I could have looked up a homemade remedy too, but this was just so much quicker. Look at that. Like, see, and that's not, and then we're not just talking about like strawberry seeds, just like dirt. So, I'm gonna rinse it off one more time. Only coat it and drain it. And then we're gonna go back. I still have some water in there. So let's see, let's look deep down in there. Whoa. And like I said, some of that is strawberry seeds, but not all of that is. Wow. Look at that. Whoa. That's crazy. Okay. And the water is like murky-ish. So I'm going to rinse these off, and I'll show you the bowl again. So while you can see the strawberry seeds, you definitely can see that dirt. And over time, with all of our fruits and vegetables that we're eating, how much of this is making us sick or gain weight? Just be unhealthy, be resistant to antibiotics. So just wanted to show you. Again, the product is Rebel Green, plant-based and friendly, planet-friendly, fruit and veggie clean. And then what I'll do is I'll give you a link below and where I got it from, but I'm sure you can get it from anywhere, maybe online or Amazon. And also, let me know what you guys use in place of this to clean your veggies and fruits.